Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming authority. You must be the clan founder or have explicit promotion rights, otherwise you cannot disband. Once done, immediately secure critical assets, export or document blueprints, screenshots of dojo rooms, and resource lists, because disbanding irreversibly destroys them. You should notify all members right away and set a clear deadline so people can retrieve items or transfer leadership. Making these moves first prevents loss and confusion when you execute the disband command. You proceed to the clan interface and open administration. This is where the disband option lives. Then select Disband Clan and read each confirmation carefully. Warframe often uses multiple prompts to prevent mistakes. Make sure you meet any extra conditions, such as being offline from clan chat or clearing active dojo events. When prompted, enter the required confirmation text or click the final confirm button. This explicit step ensures you really intend to disband and prevents accidental loss. You finalize by verifying the clan has been removed. Check your clan list and attempt to access the dojo. Absence confirms success. If the disband process fails or hangs, log out, restart the game, and try again. This clears transient sync issues. If it still won't complete, gather timestamps and screenshots and contact support. Explain the steps you took and provide evidence. This speeds resolution and recovers stuck states rather than risking repeated attempts that could complicate recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.